The Porsche 911 Carrera Coupe, reimagined by Singer, is a masterclass in engineering, a synthesis of heritage and high performance, meticulously redefined for the modern driver. At its heart is a re-engineered 4.0-liter, it's a naturally aspirated flat-six engine, a tribute to Porsche's legacy now brought to life with cutting-edge innovation. Developed in collaboration with Cosworth, it features 4 valves per cylinder, variable valve timing for the first time in a Singer restoration, and a hybrid cooling system, cooled cylinders matched to water-cooled heads. The result? A spin-tingling 420 horsepower and a redline soaring beyond 8,000 revolutions per minute. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a precise 6-speed manual, transmission optimizable with a raised gear shifter and exposed shift mechanism. The titanium exhaust system not only reduces weight, but delivers an unmistakable, naturally aspirated flat-six soundtrack. The chassis, originally a Type 964 monocoque, is strengthened using composite and steel reinforcements developed with Red Bull advanced technologies. This structural enhancement improves torsional rigidity, forming the foundation for sharper handling, better braking, and enhanced driver feedback. Suspension is equally sophisticated, featuring 4-way, electronically adjustable dampers developed from Singer's turbocharged platforms. These can be tailored from the cockpit and include a nose-lift system for real-world versatility. Braking is managed by optional carbon ceramic discs, offering race-bred stopping power. These sit behind 18-inch center-lock wheels, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport tires, delivering confidence across every surface. And Singer's partnership with Bosch ensures that ABS, ESC, and TCS are all best class. The body is crafted entirely from carbon fiber. Inspired by the 1980s Supersport Equipment 911, the wide-body design enhances both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Owners may choose between a fixed rear wing or a speed-activated spoiler reach, tuned for stability at speed. Optional high-performance auxiliary lights deploy from the front hood, blending form with function. Inside, everything is tailored. Lightweight track or sport seats, raised shifter, custom gauges, and stitched, burnished leather, all finished to jewel-like standards. Technology, like CarPlay and navigation, is subtly integrated. Each car begins with a donor Type 964, and every commission is limited to just 100 examples. The result is not just a car, but a technically exceptional, highly personalized celebration of analog driving born for the 21st century.